Using the HDK box with a remote control is very easy. Just understand 3 basic buttons, then you will soon understand how everything works. The first button to understand is the play button. By pressing the play button, the song of your selection will be played immediately. Let's give it a try. I just selected the song Let It Go. By pressing the play button, the song will play immediately. Okay, let's go to the next. The second button we need to understand is the Add button. By pressing the Add button, the song of your selection will be added into the queue list. Let's select the song Halo. By pressing the Add button, please note that on the screen, the plus sign will turn into a check mark. See, it turned into a check mark. Now, the song has been added. Let's add a few more songs. Let's add the song 22. By pressing the Add button, again, the plus sign will become a check mark. Okay, so these 2 songs has been added. Now, let's go to the third button. The third button is the queue button. By pressing the queue button, it will get you to the queue list. Now, you see the songs we have selected. The first song was Let It Go. The second song was Halo. The third song was 22. Now, you also see on the right hand side of the screen, there's an up arrow. That means you can prioritize that song to the top of the list. Now, let's go select the third song, 22. By pressing the Enter button, the third song will become the first song. So, those songs will play in sequence. Now, let's prioritize 22 to the first place. See, the song 22 now is the first song on the list. Again, press the play button and the song will play in sequence. While the song is playing, let's look at other features. You can also turn off or turn on the vocal of the song of the artist by pressing the yellow button. Vocal on, and press the yellow button again. Vocal off. And another thing we need to understand is that if you are the person singing and your friend wants to select the next song, he can also, by pressing the home button, which is the menu button. Now, you see a transparent menu pop up on the screen, and you can also select songs on the screen. So let's say I press the Add button again to add Kiss You There to the queue list. And you can also play another song immediately by pressing the play button. Everything works the same as the main menu. So I just press the play button and Wake Me Up now is being played. You can also turn off the transparent menu by pressing the home button again.